Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. Today we're going to do some old-fashioned kraut and Polish sausage. I like that German kraut. One of my friends told me that. Now this is not German, so what we're going to do to that today is add a little brown sugar to it, because I noticed the German kraut had a little tiny taste of sugar in it. I've already chopped this up. This is 10 ounces of sausage, and I'm just going to cook it for about probably 5-10 minutes on low heat. So that's all we do with that right now. Just leave that on there and it'll come to a boil. While we're waiting for our sausages to boil a little bit, we're going to drain our kraut and rinse it off some. We're going to rinse that, and then we're going to get all the water out of it we can. This reminds me of making poke salad. This is kind of what you do with poke salad. I think that's good enough. This is one of those dishes that people, when I grew up, they never measured anything. They just threw stuff in it. We're going to put about 2 cloves of chopped up garlic, 1 teaspoon of horseradish. You know horseradish is real strong, so you better be careful about putting much of that. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar. I told you that I like that German kraut. It tastes like it had a little sugar in it, so I'm going to put a little bit of this in because it's not the German kraut. I'm going to go buy some more of that though. 4 slices of bacon that I chopped up. You roughly kind of chop them up. We're going to put a little bacon grease in the bottom of this pan, and we're going to saute our onions in this. This is some leftover bacon grease. Now that is a 2/3 cup of onion, and it's just roughly cut. It's not very fine, but you can cut it any size you want to. Now we're going to dump our mixture they mixed up with the kraut over into the onions. Look like they are sauteed enough. And we still have our sausages in the water boiling, but they'll be out in just a minute. We'll stir this up good. And that's everything but the sausages in it. Now we're going to drain our sausages. Okay, we're going to put them in our kraut mixture. We have our Polish sausage and our kraut, and I hope it's going to be good. If we want to add any kind of spice to it, we could add a little more black pepper or anything like that that we want to. Now, our kraut and sausages are finished, and we're going to pour them over in a serving bowl. And this is just old-fashioned kraut, and we use weenies too. We used to have kraut and weenies, but I put the sausage in here. I thought that, you know, like I told you a while ago, there was no recipe. Everybody just put whatever they wanted in there. Now that it's finished, I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it, because I really like kraut and weenies, or kraut and sausages. And I hope to see you on another video, and I thank you for watching.